Hey guys, I'm Gabrielle. If this is your first time seeing my face, thank you for dropping by. Today is the day, guys. Today is the day that we continue our decoration of my stepdaughter's room. We have the decals in for her wall, so we're going to put them up today in today's vlog. But first, I got to finish cooking dinner because I just got in from work. I'm going to finish cooking dinner, eat, and then we're going to go upstairs and put the decals up. I haven't opened them yet, so I don't know how they look. Hopefully they look good. The reviews were good, but we'll open it together and look at it and then put them up on the wall. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Like little things. You don't have to spend a lot to make things look nice. Okay, let me stop talking so fast because I don't know how these wall decals gonna look on this wall, honey, but we gonna find out. All right, so see y'all in a little bit. In the room, and I'm going to show you a clip of the wall before I put the decal on. Okay guys, this is the package with the wall decals in it. So I haven't opened it yet. Let's open it up and see what they look like. They are much smaller than I expected. Well, they're different sizes. They're the bigger size, and then so these are the decals, and we're going to put them against this wall here. All right. So I'm going to probably have to pull the furniture off the wall a little bit. So let's do that first. So let's get started. Let me open some. All right, so let's get started. small ones are left. The decals are gone. It was only 3 sheets. I thought it was going to be 12. I'm going to read the description again because I could have sworn the description said 12 sheets, but it was only 3. But I made it work. We finished. Like I said, I started off with the bigger ones first, spread them out as much as I can, concentrating on the top because I know the furniture is at the bottom, so I just wanted the coverage to be over to the top because the furniture could cover the bottom half of the wall. Then I went in and filled with the smaller circles, the smaller polka dots. And when I got here by the lamp, since this area is more open, you can see more things here. I decided to come further down. When I came, I decided to come further down here in the middle of the wall because it's more open and you can see it. Yeah, so behind the bookshelf is kind of blank. You won't see as much back there, but it's hidden by the bookshelf. And I think it turned out pretty well. I'm gonna let y'all get a closer look in just a second. I was thinking that maybe I should order another pack, but I may not have to. We'll see. Probably not though, but hold on, let me show y'all. All right, so this is the wall completed. This is what it looks like. It turned out very nice. Like I said, initially I thought that they were, you know, sometimes when you look at the pictures, it's kind of hard to tell what it's actually going to look like. But I thought it turned out kind of fine. I'm sorry it's kind of dark in here. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think it turned out very cute. It does have some of the purple in there. I was just going for something that at least had the color purple in it and to kind of match the curtains and the bedding. So yeah, they're supposed to be watercolors. I'm gonna come up closer so you can kind of see. They're supposed to be like, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but like watercolor paint, similar to that. And it does, and some of the reviews were saying that it doesn't look like stickers or decals on the wall. It looks like actual paint, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but from where I'm at, I kind of agree with that. It definitely gives the room a pop of color that's needed. I think it's very cute. So let me take a spin around the room so y'all can see. While you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full. It's nighttime, so we don't have that much. We don't have any lighting, natural lighting, so it might be kind of dark. But I thought it turned out really cute. Yeah, guys, this is the final product for the wall decals, sticker decals on the wall. It turned out really cute. I think it adds like a little, it gives the room more color, more vibrant, makes it look more inviting and more child-friendly, more kiddie-ish, if that's the word. It's very cute. It gives the room, it just gives a little bit of more, it gives the room much more character, which I was going for, and I really like it. So, yeah, it turned out real good. I don't think I'm gonna order any more decals. I've used decals before for my daughter's room, but it was like just for a small area. It wasn't for like the whole wall. So, but it still turned out real cute. And I'm very happy with the results. So that is all. What do you guys think? Do y'all like it? Would y'all try it? It's a very, very cheap way to like spruce up the room. So I would definitely recommend it if you wanted to, you know, redo your room, but you're on a tight budget. All right, thanks so much for watching. See y'all later in the next video. Bye.